Hi, in this video we're gonna discuss event management system. As you might know, events can have different categories like exhibitions, seminars, webinars, art events, and so on. Choose events from the toolbar and let's click on new to create a new event. In this page you can write down some info like the event name, the beginning and end date, time zone, language, template and tags, the organizer and the person in charge for it, the venue which is the event address, exhibition map, limit registrations which can limit the number of attendees, badge dimension which shows the dimension of the badge and its background. Then we have tickets. This is where you can write a title for your tickets as well as setting a deadline for registration. You can also set a color for each ticket. Click on the product name to make changes and specify each day of the event from the other. By doing that, you can set different rules and price for each day. From communication, you can choose how to notify others about the event. Select a template and set a specific time for the message to be sent. You can also define a new template if you want and select it from here. Next part is questions. In this part you can choose the questions you want to ask the user while registration. Click here to create a new question. Write down the question and choose the question type, then give an answer to it if you want. In the last part, notes, you can write down a note for the event and write a guideline about how to buy the ticket in ticket instruction. Now it's time to go to the website to see the event page on a website. By clicking on Edit, you're able to design the page. As you can see, all the information you've added is available on the website page. So you can design the whole page in a way you want and provide it to the users. Don't forget to publish the page when you're done. Now if you go to Events, you can see your published event and check it out from here. You can also add the event to the calendar or get the direction. Our next step is to register for the event. Choose the date and the number of tickets and click on Register. Then write down the attendees info and go to Payment. Fill in your address and sign into the website. When you pay for the tickets, your ticket registration will be confirmed and you can download your tickets. Now the users can receive their tickets via email. Let's go back to Events. Click on Invite to send an invitation to the users. Just like we've described before, you need to choose the subject, recipients, and mail body, adjust the settings, and send the invitation email. At the time of the event, you can click on Registration Desk to scan the copied badges, or click here to select the attendees from the list. From Configuration, click on Settings. Here you'll see three sections: Events, Registration, and Attendance. You're able to adjust settings for the three of them. For example, from Events, you can choose to manage and publish a schedule with tracks or display sponsors and exhibitors on your event page. Or in Registration, you can choose to sell tickets with sales orders or sell tickets on your website. And in the last section, you can enable barcode scanning. As it is clear, for each item there is a description as a guideline. Save the changes and go back to Configuration to select Event Templates. By clicking on New, you can create your own event template. Then there are event stages, which can show the event status and are changeable. The two next icons are Event Tag Categories and Lead Generation, which we have previously discussed. In Booth category, we can create a booth, add a sponsor and product, and set a price for it. And the last icon, Event Locations, is where you can set different locations for the events.